Sure, here's a translation of your text into English: how to earn €200 per hour with these 3 jobs. Cybersecurity Specialist. A cybersecurity specialist is a highly skilled professional responsible for protecting computer networks and systems from external attacks and threats. This job requires a deep understanding of hacking techniques and defense strategies, as well as strong analytical and problem-solving skills. A cybersecurity specialist must be able to identify and resolve security vulnerabilities and gaps in systems by developing and implementing protection and control measures. This role is in high demand across various sectors such as fintech, financial services, healthcare, and information technology. 1.1 Required skills. Skills required to become a cybersecurity specialist include a solid understanding of cybersecurity fundamentals, networks, and operating systems. In-depth knowledge of risk analysis and vulnerabilities is necessary, along with the ability to develop and implement effective countermeasures. Technical skills require familiarity with firewalls, virtual private networks, VPNs, security log analysis, and intrusion detection tools. Additionally, programming skills are important to understand and analyze malicious code. Excellent problem-solving ability and good communication skills are fundamental for effective work and collaboration with other IT professionals. 1.2 Required certifications. To become a cybersecurity specialist, it is advantageous to obtain the necessary certifications to demonstrate one's skills. The most recognized certifications include Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. These certifications attest to competence in various areas of cybersecurity and offer a competitive advantage in the job market. Obtaining such certifications requires study, preparation, and success in related certification exams. 1.3 Employment Sec. 1.3 Employment sectors. Cybersecurity specialists can find employment in a wide range of sectors as cybersecurity is a priority for many organizations. They can work for private companies, banks, financial institutions, technology companies, cloud computing service providers, and even governments. They may also be required in sectors such as healthcare, where patient data protection is critical. The continuous expansion of cybersecurity threats makes cybersecurity specialists increasingly sought after, offering employment opportunities in both the public and private sectors. 2 Programmer. Job of a programmer. The role of a programmer is to develop software, solve problems, and collaborate with the team. The programmer writes code to create software applications using a variety of programming languages. Their work involves analyzing requirements and specifications, designing software architecture, and implementing required functionalities. Additionally, the programmer must resolve any issues or bugs that arise during software development, test the application, and collaborate with other team members to ensure project success. 1. Software development. Software development is one of the primary responsibilities of a programmer. This involves writing code to transform software application requirements and specifications into a functional product. The programmer uses programming languages, frameworks, and development tools to implement various required features. During the development process, the programmer must also ensure proper data and resource management, error handling, and application security. The ultimate goal is to create high-quality software that meets client requirements and user expectations. 2. Problem solving. Problem solving is an important skill for a programmer. During software development, various issues may arise such as code errors, unexpected application behaviors, or conflicts between different components. The programmer must be able to analyze the problem, identify the root cause, and find an effective solution. This requires a good understanding of programming principles, data structures, and algorithms. Often, problem-solving also involves consulting technical documentation, studying examples, and collaborating with other team members to achieve the desired outcome. 3. Collaboration with the team. Collaboration with the team is essential for a programmer. During software development, the programmer works closely with other team members such as analysts, designers, and testers. Effective communication, sharing ideas, solving problems together, and ensuring consistency and integration of work done by each team member are crucial. Collaboration can occur through meetings, project discussions, code reviews, and using project management tools. Furthermore, collaboration extends beyond one's own team, as the programmer may need to interface with other departments or stakeholders to ensure proper software implementation. Point 3. Consulent SEO keyword analysis. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, or others to identify the most relevant keywords for the client's industry and evaluate their search volume and competitiveness. Keyword selection. Identify primary keywords and long-tail keywords that offer more concrete and targeted ranking opportunities. On-page optimization. Page titles and meta descriptions. Create catchy titles and descriptions that encourage clicks from users and include relevant keywords. Heading tags, H1, H2, etc. Use heading tags hierarchically and appropriately, including keywords where possible. URL structure. Structure URLs clearly and readably, including keywords where it makes sense. Page content. Create quality, informative, and relevant content that naturally incorporates target keywords without excessive force. Content creation, content planning. Define a content strategy based on keyword research and the interests of the target audience. Optimized writing. Create clear, consistent, and informative texts that meet user needs and naturally include keywords. Multimedia content. Integrate images, videos, infographics, or other multimedia formats to enrich user experience and improve engagement. Link building. Backlink analysis. Evaluate the quality of existing backlinks and identify opportunities to obtain new backlinks from authoritative and relevant sites. Outreach and collaborations. Build relationships with other websites and influencers in the industry to earn natural and relevant backlinks. Linkable content. Create valuable content that is linkable and attracts the interest of other websites to earn organic links. Monitoring and analysis. Tool utilization. Use tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, SEMrush, Moz, or others to monitor traffic, keyword rankings, user behavior, and other important metrics. Data analysis. Interpret collected data to identify trends, strengths, and areas for improvement of the website. Continuous optimization. Use insights from analysis to make continuous improvements to the website and SEO strategies. Stay updated. Research and training. Maintain ongoing education on the latest trends, search engine algorithms, and SEO best practices through courses, webinars, blogs, and industry conferences. Adaptation of strategies. Modify and adapt SEO strategies based on algorithm updates, changes in user behavior, and the digital landscape.